Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring a monitor built specifically for developers, coders, and productivity-focused creators, the BenQ RD280U 28.2 4K programming monitor. If you've been searching for a display that boosts workflow efficiency, reduces eye strain, and gives you a beautifully tall screen for coding, debugging, and documentation, this model is engineered exactly for that purpose. The standout feature of the RD280U is its unique 28.2-inch 3:2 aspect ratio paired with a sharp 3840x2560 4K resolution. This gives you significantly more vertical screen real estate compared to traditional 16:9 monitors. You can view more lines of code, longer documents, or expanded spreadsheets without scrolling constantly. It's designed with developers' workflow in mind. The Nano Matte panel reduces glare without compromising color and clarity, giving you a clean and distraction-free visual experience in any lighting environment. Combined with BenQ's industry-leading eye care technology, including flicker-free backlighting and low blue light modes, this monitor helps minimize visual fatigue during long programming sessions. Another standout feature is the MoonHalo backlight, an innovative lighting system that creates more precise control over brightness and contrast across the screen. This ensures consistent illumination for both light and dark themes, perfect for coders who switch between modes frequently. BenQ also includes customized coding modes, designed to make syntax, characters, and code blocks easier to see and differentiate. Whether you work in dark mode, light mode, or color-specific IDE themes, the monitor optimizes clarity for extended readability. Connectivity is excellent. You get USB-C with 90W power delivery, allowing you to power and connect your laptop with a single cable, ideal for clean desk setups. There's also DisplayPort, HDMI, and a built-in KVM switch, letting you control multiple devices using one keyboard and mouse. Perfect for developers who work with multiple machines, servers, or VM setups. The monitor is VESA mount compatible, and its stand offers full ergonomic adjustments for tilt, height, and rotation. Paired with the tall 3:2 screen, you get a more comfortable and natural workspace layout that enhances productivity immediately. Sleek, modern, and carefully engineered for the unique needs of developers, the BenQ RD280U is more than just a display, it's a complete workstation upgrade. Whether you're coding, designing, editing documents, or running multiple windows side by side, this monitor makes your workflow cleaner, faster, and more efficient. Don't wait, check it out now on Amazon using the link below, and remember to subscribe for more tech-focused reviews just like this.